Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna take a look at this Elvis Presley crooners that I really don't have. I'm going to take a look at this Elvis Presley crooner. It's a singing Saint Bernard dog. It's an Elvis Presley crooner, and I really do not have that one. This one sings Devil in Douglas. This whatever that word says. He's really cute. Yep, this one's an Elvis Presley crooner, and he's really cute. This one's made by Preferred Plush. And they also got these singing dogs. They got a hound dog. They got a little hound dog, a bulldog, a Rottweiler, a pug, a Boston Terrier, and a Saint Bernard. That's the one that we're going to look at. So there's only two Elvis Presley crooners that I really don't have. It's in the cart. So let's go in the cart. Okay, let's look in the cart. So here's this Elvis Presley crooner that I really don't have. This Boston Terrier. He sings Don't Be Cruel. Yep, this one's also an Elvis Presley crooner. They also got these dogs here. Here's the song that this dog sings, Don't Be Cruel. This one's also made by Preferred Plush. He's really cute. Yep, and this one's new with tag too. Also, the Saint Bernard because it's in the box. It says press left paw to activate motion and sound. Requires 3A batteries, and it became an on and off switch. Yep, so here's the two Elvis Presley crooners that is on eBay that I really don't have. The Saint Bernard and that Boston Terrier. So subscribe to my channel, and goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a good day.